I am missing the volume. There was hardly any volume when it reached this level, and it did push up through R4, and that is there were a few things that I thought, well, maybe I could get a really nice reversal down to this daily level right here. But as you can see, it didn't work out. So then hi everyone, it's Tiffany with BBT here to do my recap. I traded Bank of America today, and it was on my watch list. It had really great volume. It's not a stock that I typically trade, but the volume was there. And after the open, the RVOL was well over 100. Pre-market looked like the market was open. The price action was really nice and smooth. So the first thing that came to mind was this engulfing on the 5-minute chart. And I really wanted to take it as a 5-minute opening range breakup, but I'm going to talk a little bit about psychology here. So when I'm kind of getting a little bit bored with my opening range breakouts, and I do not mean that in a conceited way at all. I know that they say that trading should be boring, or you should get to the point where it's kind of boring. Um, but but along with boring comes a lack of following my rules. So I get a little bit too cocky, a little bit too confident. I'm not as sharp. So I really like to switch things up a little bit. I go back and forth in between opening range breakouts and reversals. And so here in the past week, I felt it was best for me to start focusing more on reversals. But I saw Bank of America open. I saw that it was really nice opening range breakup, and I was seriously sitting here watching it as it set up as a perfect 5-minute opening range breakup. It did not give that big of a pullback. I think that if it did, I would have been way more tempted to jump in. But my plan for today was to mostly focus on later trades and focus on more on reversals. So I had a little bit of FOMO at the open. As you can see here, it was a really nice 5-minute opening range breakup. It just plowed through R3, hit R4. So when it got up to R4 and it threw up a double top on the 1-minute chart, it made a new low. I went short and then immediately got out when it didn't go my way quickly because it was so strong and everything else was setting up to be my 15-minute opening range breakup. But at the time, I was really focused in on just getting a scalp reversal, or because I had missed that 5-minute opening range breakup, I was kind of really focused on getting something out of this because I felt FOMO and I missed the trade. So I saw this second doji right here, and as soon as it made a new low, I went short. I am missing the volume. There was hardly any volume when it reached this level, and it did push up through R4, and that is there were a few things that I thought, well, maybe I could get a really nice reversal down to this daily level right here. But as you can see, it didn't work out. So then I waited for another opportunity, and here you have the 5-minute hammer, well, 5-minute indecision candle, and a new low. You also have it rejecting the R4 or losing the R4, excuse me. And then on the 1-minute, the volume actually did come in very nicely right here. And as you can see, I took it when it made a new low. My stop was if it made a new 1-minute high. I took a partial here at the daily level, another partial when I really, well, the other partial was with when the volume came in, and L2. So I took this partial, came back up, stopped me out at break even. And then here is where I'm really kind of kicking myself that the trade that I missed, it's the 5 minute ABCD pattern or excuse me, 15-minute ABCD pattern. And as you can see, it came back down. There were really nice dojis off of the VWAP, and then it pushed up through this daily level right here, which was, I believe, 2 days ago low. And so I really wanted to take it long here, but I did not. I was trading very cautiously today, and I am going out of town, and I didn't want my last day before going out of town to be bad. So I think that really affected my psychology as well. Some of you may know I have a degree in psychology, and I always find trading psychology to be super fascinating, and there will be a lot of journaling tonight about what happened to me today. But anyhow, those were my trades. If you have any questions, please enter them down below, and thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.